Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy apple pie using air fryer. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of many other kinds of yummy food. I'm using store-bought frozen puff pastry in this recipe. I prefer using these smaller ones, so less work in cutting. Wash and peel the apples first. Remove the core of apples and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare the other ingredients. Melt butter in a small pot under low heat. Add cinnamon powder and sugar. Stir and mix well. Add apples and lemon juice. Stir to mix. Cook at low heat for about 10 minutes to thicken the juice. Scoop out and refrigerate. Cut the pastry in about 2.5 inches times 5 inches. Place about 1 tablespoon of apples onto one pastry. Dab some water onto the top edge and two sides to close the pastry securely. Use a fork to press on the two sides of the pie. Cut a few slits on the top of the pie. Refrigerate the pies for 15 minutes. Preheat the air fryer at 340 Fahrenheit. Place the apple pies into the basket. Brush eggs on top. Spray a bit oil. Then air fry at 340 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. The simple apple pies are now ready to serve. So yummy! Enjoy it alone or with vanilla ice cream.